Hey, discover what's new in the latest Passware Kit release. Expanding on the BitLocker TPM decryption method introduced in the spring release, Passware Kit now also recovers the BitLocker PIN. Passware Kit creates a bootable USB with a PIN word list to run the brute force directly on the target device. Once the PIN is recovered, Passware Kit extracts the volume master and recovery keys. Start the decryption of the encrypted disk image right away or perform the process later. Passware Kit adds support for the GNOME Keyring, the default credential store on many Linux systems. Recovery speed reaches over 1,900,000 passwords per second on a single AMD GPU. The latest update also includes support for AxCrypt version 1. This legacy file encryption tool is still widely used across corporate environments. In addition, Passware Kit decrypts Quicken Classic databases up to version 2026. The Apply Rules attack now supports the character class commands rules. It gives more flexibility to fine-tune the password recovery strategy. Finally, the License Manager displays activation details, including the number of activations available and the names of the computers where Passware Kit has been activated. This simplifies license management in corporate environments. Discover even more details about the latest release on our blog. We always welcome your feedback and ideas on how to improve the Passware Kit. Thank you for joining us today.